Hey guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 268 on mobile. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Well, in this case, to fix this problem, what we need to do is we need to change a few things on the actual app. So in this case, look for Roblox here, and from here, press and hold on it. Now from here, click on app info. And once in there, what we need to do is we need to choose the option that says clear data at the bottom right of your screen. Now from here, choose clear cache, click on OK. And from here, what we need to do next is we now need to make sure that we have the latest version of Roblox installed into our mobile device. In this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store here. So let's just look for Google Play Store and open it up and search for Roblox. In this case, go and search for Roblox here. So if you see any update button on it, make sure to click on it, because if you do not have the latest version here, the actual app might not work properly. In this case, once you've done that, go ahead and press on your power button and make sure to restart or reboot your mobile device. Sometimes a good reboot can actually solve this issue. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and open up Roblox and see if that solves the issue. And if that doesn't solve the issue, the final thing that we could do here to probably solve this issue is to basically uninstall the Roblox app and reinstall it again into your mobile device. In this case, go ahead and press and hold on Roblox, click on uninstall, and once uninstalled, go ahead and search for Roblox again on Google Play Store and reinstall it again. Now in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.